Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, here we'll be working on a Porsche Cayenne. This one will be guys the first generation from 2002 to year 2010. What will show you guys where to find the fuse for the front climate control. Now, if you have the rear climate control, we're going to share that one as well in the video. We do not have the rear climate control, we have only the front one. So if your temperature and fan speed do not work, that display doesn't work at all, you need to check that fuse. In addition guys, we will have more than 200 videos on this car. We'll have so many videos guys, so we can save you as much money as we can by teaching you guys how to fix your car for free. All we need in return, like and subscribe. Now, all the tools, parts, replacement, fuses and all that stuff could be found guys listed in the description of the video below. Mechanical videos on this Porsche Cayenne will be on our main channels, World Mechanics and Auto Repair guys. Check them out guys, both channels amazing. So, now let me show you the climate control I'm talking about. Okay, so this is it. Okay, right here. Climate control, we're going to check the fuse guys. So if it doesn't work, we will explain okay why and what is causing that. So we need to go guys to the passenger side of the vehicle. Now we're going to say where the front and the rear ones are. Okay, now give me just 1 second. Okay, right here guys, need to open the door. Okay, right under this cover you have fuses, so we need to pull that cover out. Okay, with a plastic panel removal tool like this one, we're going to pry it open. Okay, now we have 5 clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 clips. So be careful not to break anything. On the back side you can see your fuse numbers. We need to find fuse number 23 and fuse number 25. So from right to left, okay, the second row will be second and fourth fuse. So number 23 guys, number 23, okay, is this fuse. It's a 10 amp fuse. Okay, this is the one for the front climate control. We'll replace this one. Now we do not have a fuse for the rear climate control because we do not have rear climate control in the vehicle. We do not have that option, but if you have it, okay, it will be right next to it. Okay, one will be second, one will be fourth fuse from right to left on the second row. Now we're going to put our cover on and we'll see okay if ours works. Let me go ahead, grab the key quick. Okay, and now guys, you can see it works. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.